Updating your primary email on WhatsApp is a straightforward process that ensures your account remains secure and accessible. Follow these simple steps to make the change. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to update the email. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen for Android or the bottom right tab for iPhone to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Go to Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Account option. This section contains all the settings related to your account information. Step 4. Update email. Look for the option labeled Email or Change Email. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure to enter it correctly. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify it through a confirmation link sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on WhatsApp will be successfully updated. Regularly check your email settings to ensure your information is current and secure.